Hey guys, and welcome to another video where I'm going to be working on a press on order. So this is the finished set right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this set. So starting off with some XXL square tips, I already have them base coated and I'm going to go straight in with the design. So I'm going to start off with Crest Sage from the Gel Bottle Ink, and this is a gorgeous sage, kind of virgin on pastel-y green. So I'm going to do 2 coats of every colour, and there's a lovely marble design on the ring finger with some gold foil. So I'm just going to let you watch me paint some of these colours on first of all, and I will be back to you in a little bit. So that ring, or that index finger there, is a gorgeous kind of a jungle green. It's from the manicure company and it's called Tomboy, and that is another beautiful green color. These greens are making me think of autumn, and I can't wait for autumn colors. I love autumn. It's my favorite season, and I just love the colors, especially for nails in that season. But I'm just going to show you how I do the marble now. So I'm just putting on 1 coat of the Crest Sage, and I'm not going to cure it, and then I'm going to get some little splodges of Tomboy, and I'm just going to drop those into the uncured gel, and just drop a decent amount into the uncured gel. And then I'm going to grab a liner brush or a detailer brush, and I'm going to pull that polish through the lighter green polish. So you can do this exactly how you want to do it. If you want more dark green in your marble, you can have it that way, or if you want more of the lighter green, you can make sure there is more lighter green. It's kind of just exactly how you want to do it. No 2 marbles are the same design, so it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be just exactly how you want. I had the other 5 nails done off camera, so I was kind of looking at the other one just to make sure that the color consistencies were kind of the same. So I love this process. I spent way too long doing this process. I love doing it. So I was just pulling the marble around the nail, taking my time, enjoying it. But I love how it turned out, and it's so simple to do. Once I have all of that done properly, I pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. If you are, please give it a thumbs up and comment any questions if you have any, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But once I reached the stage here, I had the 2 coats on the block color nails. I decided to go ahead and just top coat those because I'm going to go in with gold foil flakes, and I didn't want them to get anywhere on the other nails, so I decided to top coat them and get them all safe. So I'm going to pull out my little jar of gold foil now, and my little silicone tool as well. So I use this tool just to pick up the flakes and place them on the nail. So this nail here kind of has a little bit of an inhibition layer, so a sticky layer when it comes out of the lamp, and that makes it easier for the foil to stick on the nail. So I'm just picking up little bits and pieces and popping them around the nail, just kind of anywhere, wherever you want to put them. I'm not putting too much on, just enough to give it a bit of a sparkle, but not over the top. And then once that's done, then I'm going to take out my top coat that I have put aside for foil, especially for foil that's all contaminated with foil already, and I'm going to use that top coat then to top coat this snail. And as you can see as well, I'm just using my glove to rub in the foil to make sure that it's nicely stuck on there. So once I have this top coated, then I'm just going to put it in the lamp to cure for a full cure. And that is this set done. I hope you enjoyed it. Nice and simple, but still has a bit of something to it with the marble design. And thanks so much if you made it this far. I will see you in the next one.